Hello. Uh, Today we're going to walk through the Smpler platform demo. What we're seeing on screen here is the platform itself, which provides agentic functionality for financial institutions to transform manual workflows into automated work streams. And we do that by first standardizing unstructured data coming into the firm. I will show two ways, first being the web platform, which we have to the left, and the other, which is currently set up to work via email. Now, I'm going to trigger this email. This is a standard workflow where an analyst would upload a PDF, which I'll walk through in a second, and it's going to run a predefined pre-screen workflow. We have it set up to the Smpler platform, and we're going to see this Xcelerator demo pop up in a second. That should take about 2 or 3 minutes to process. Similarly, we have a we have the web version. Um, I'll walk through that in a second, but the document we just uploaded was this Drexel Avenue, a 21-page PDF, unstructured, containing images, tables, financial information, all sorts of data. And each of these are going to be different. Um, Now, what we have below is we've built out some initial workflows. I'll walk through those in a moment of how that gets created. But here we can analyze a new deal. We're going to select a deal name, and we go ahead and execute this workflow. Now, this is configurable in a few simple ways, but first I just want to show you again the difference of these properties. Now, 4144 West Adams is a 24-page PDF, multifamily property. Uh, Again, has financials, but as you can see, it's in all different locations. Not easy to extract and pull into an Excel model. So that's what we just triggered here from the web to analyze that new deal. And we have some templates which are going to be generated in both use cases. But here, the users can create a deal. They can upload files directly. These quickly get added. Once added, users can then, as we can see, it popped up. They can go ahead and map document types, map this to a deal. And now we have the ability to create AI prompts. And once you have these prompts, you can also build workflows using simple drag and drop. Each of these create or contain a different tool, so to speak, which would all be accessible via the agents. Now, the workflow we just started was this analyze new deal. As we can see, we have a preview. It's going through multiple steps, and that's what we're waiting to execute at the moment. That is still processing, but as we can see, the email did just finish processing. This, if we open this up in a new window, and we'll just watch here when this finishes executing, but we can see 2 minutes ago, we attached this PDF. We're now receiving templated analysis of that deal. So here we have some standard calculations that are pre-configured in the system. All can easily be updated and changed. We even receive some AI summaries. So this is standardizing the workflows that users would typically have to do themselves. Now on this side, we are still executing. We're waiting. It's automatically going to trigger an Excel report, a Word doc, and some text information as well, plus some details. We'll just give this a moment to complete. So another functionality that the platform has is the ability to select the models so that users can identify their particular cost and performance uh, optimization. But again, here we have these templates, all configurable, but as we can see, this information is now going to populate directly from these PDFs. It's structuring it and saving all of this information to a backend database. We have our property details, which were extracted, zoning details, financials, information about the units, and not every not every deal is going to have the same information. Some have actuals, some have pro formas. All of this gets captured over time, all getting saved dynamically in the back end and available for retrieval in the future. And with that, we conclude the initial review. Thank you.